let's get started. So today we are going to talk about another extension. This is actually very helpful for the programmers that are really bad at spellings. So let me show you this extension. It's actually called the code spell checker. As you can see, there it is. I have already installed it. Again, it's a big extension and it takes some time and need a better internet, so I already have installed it. You guys just need to click on the install button and it would be automatically installed. Anyway, let me show you how you can actually use it. Let me show you that it can be used in any file you have. It doesn't matter if it's an HTML file or a JavaScript file or a TypeScript file. It could be used with all of them. So what we are going to do is we are going to put some wrong spelling. As you can see, the first thing you see that it has underlined it as a wrong spelling. And when I hover over it or go to it with my mouse, it would show me two options, a quick fix and peak problem. I'm going to click on the quick fix and it just shows me some correction suggestions, which one of them is actually the right one. So I'm going to click on that one. So let me show you that it could also be used in JavaScript file. As you can see, I have made a variable which is of wrong spelling, of course. It should be flavor. Just click it, and anyways, the Britain or the American, whichever spelling you follow, it would show both of them. You can just click on the one you follow. Anyway, of course, it also work with the strings too. I'm going to go and click quick fix again, and it would give me some correct suggestions. Also with the commands too, it also works with the commands, and it's also work with the imports too. You can use it in CSS file too, so it doesn't matter which file you use. I only use it to enhance the readability of my code, so I actually use this practice and suggest you as a programmer always use the variable names that according to the data it contains. For example, right now it has chocolate, so I use flavor. And if the name is has wrong spelling, in the future you may be reading it or some other programmer is reading it, they are going to have hard time understanding what you are actually doing in your code. So that is why I actually use it. So that's it for this video, guys.